We're in Brunswick, Georgia today, looking at a nice forming cell coming west from the west due east, and this thing is producing quite a lot of lightning. Cloud to ground lightning has been persistent with this thing. I've been on it for about an hour now, and if I stay here for just a moment, we will get to see some good cloud to ground lightning, hopefully, because pretty soon this thing is going to be right on top of us and the view won't be quite so pretty. Oh, just missed that one. Oh well. More's coming. The wind is just now starting to pick up a little bit. And again, the cell is headed straight for St. Simon's Island, which is that way. And once it gets on top of us here, the winds are probably going to pick up quite a bit. A few minutes ago, it was pretty much cloud to ground lightning almost every, 10 to 15 seconds, but now it's all shrouded by rain. Everything is shrouded. There we go, yeah. I hope that showed up, because that was a beautiful strike. Probably, 10, 15 miles to my north. Keep it pointed in that direction just in case it decides to hit there again. And yeah, just heard the thunder from that, so about 10-15 miles to the north. There it goes again. There it goes again. Take a really quick look at the radar here. This is the storm that we're looking at. Kind of side by side. Can't really see much detail, but that's alright. So that's what we're looking at here. Beautiful. Just had another big bolt strike right in the same spot almost. And now just hearing the thunder, so I'd still judge about 10 miles north and closing in pretty fast. gently picking up. Usually with these things it blasts you all at once, but I guess today's storm is taking its time with the wind. It's alright though, if we have anything further on this storm, I'll be sure and have the video ready to go. Again, this is Blake in Brunswick, Georgia, signing off. Stay safe, and remember, don't try this at home, because you can't do this from home. You have to be out on the road in a safe place.